work and some traffic. Everybody loves morning traffic. Driving the streets of Phoenix. I wonder if anybody here can tell me where we're at. What road am I on this morning? I would love to see how well you people that live here know the valley. Even more exciting would be if someone from outside of Phoenix could figure out where I'm at. I'm not going to talk a whole lot today. We're just going to drive a little bit. But I will say that if you like these videos, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. As I push for 100,000 subscribers. It's a chilly 61 degrees this morning. Traffic's a little better than normal, so that's good. Some of these drives aren't completely exciting, but I do enjoy having you along for the ride. Gives me something to do while I'm driving. We're going fast now. Like 5 miles an hour on the freeway. I think this section of road we're on right now is probably one of the worst in the mornings. Look at that hot rodder in the other lane. Y'all get a chance to look at some of my other videos, not just the driving videos, but the travel videos that we have, and some of the other just fun, weird videos that we make. If you like our stuff, tell your friends too. You can even tell your enemies, I don't care. I will say that we have a beautiful sunrise happening this morning. I think everybody can see. Tail lights out there. Yeah, we can tell I'm tired in the morning. I'm not as talkative as normal, but it's all right. always a lot of congestion right here where we switch over to an exit area where we can exit onto another freeway. It always gets backed up right here. I know that a week or two ago they were working on a second exit lane, so hopefully they have that done. That would definitely free things up. I don't know why this guy's going so damn slow. Holding up everybody. Jeez. So if they did open the extra second lane, that's going to definitely clear traffic up. And it kind of looks like they might have opened it because we're zinging along right here. The people going straight on that freeway are a little more backed up. Usually it's backed up over here a lot more than over there. So this is very, very nice because where I usually get slowed down on my morning drive is actually going 50, which is a miracle. I like it. This is a time saver now that this new lane is open. 2 exit lanes onto this freeway, finally. Brilliant. Normally we would be almost stopped right here, but now 65 miles an hour, just zipping on through it, no backup. This is great. And that hot rodder's going about 85 or 90. This is awesome. Well, my morning is now complete. Holy cow, look at that guy. Wow. Whoa, motherfucker. Wow, that was almost an accident. Hey, look, we finally got something half exciting here, didn't we? That dude almost bit it. Wow. That's about the most exciting thing we've had. I almost want to speed and catch up to this guy because he's going to do something stupid again. But, I mean, it's not worth a ticket. So, anyway, we'll sign off for right now. But if he's in an accident later up the road, I'll turn the camera back on and we'll try to catch that. Anyway, have fun. Talk to you later.